So what I'd suggest, I'm cutting a steek. So I'm going to cut down my knitting right now with a pair of kitchen scissors, because I want people to see how easy it is and how little finesse it takes. It really is simple and it's nothing to worry about. What I've done is I've crocheted either side of the steek that I'm going to cut. So I put a crochet line in either side of the steek. If you want me to do a video about how I do that, I can do that. And also later on, I'll do a video about how I stitch the seams back. Right, for now, I'm going to start cutting. So I've just got a normal pair of kitchen scissors out of Mrs. Smith's drawer, and they're not the sharpest in the world, and you don't have to take any care over this. So I'm just cutting down the middle between there. I'm not being too fussy. As you can see, I'm talking while I'm doing it. I'm really not that bothered because I know it'll all come out right in the end. So it's no big deal at all. There's no mystery to it. There's nothing difficult to it. Anyone can do it. And there you go. I'll cut down there. And if you want to, you can practice on a piece of scrap knitting beforehand. And there we go. Open it out. Oh. And the last thing I just want to show you before I finish is that crocheted edge gives you a seam, a hem that naturally wants to go back. So that will be the hem there. Whee! And that's it. You can buy the pattern for this. Mugs pattern. You can buy the mugs pattern on our Etsy shop. Thank Joe.